So today is day 10 of the stay-at-home order, and I was thinking, what better time than now to start my own YouTube channel? For my first video, I'm going to be sharing my top reasons why I love my M3. And just as a disclaimer, I'm by no means an expert at cars. The most car-related thing that I've done is probably just change a flat tire. But I remember as a kid, I grew up watching the first Fast and Furious, and I just fell in love with cars. I really hope that making these videos will challenge me to be more hands-on with my car and be able to teach anyone that's going over the same things with their car. So I hope you guys enjoy the ride. The ride, get it? My car is a little dirty right now, so I'm gonna go give it a wash. First, we're going to start with the exterior of the car. And I know looks can be subjective, but I feel like the F80 M3 is one of the best looking sports sedans. My M3 is a 2018 model, so it's considered an LCI 2. I think the only main exterior updates were the LED headlights, and my car comes with the adaptive LEDs. Everything from the blacked out kidneys to the angled hood to the carbon fiber roof to the wide body, the M3 just looks so aggressive yet subtle. And also love the wheels that come with the competition package. They do ride in 20s, so it is a little more stiff, so I might be swapping them for 19s. And the car that I bought comes with Remus exhaust tips, so it just looks a lot better, and the sound is so much better too. The second reason why I love my M3 is because of the interior of the car. The seats that come with the competition package, they are actually pretty comfortable. There's also a setting on the side that you can adjust the bolsters to either tighten or loosen. Another cool thing about the 2018 facelift is that they added an upgraded infotainment system with iDrive 6. And the user interface is just more modern looking, and it's really smooth and fast. And I love that it comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, so that I don't have to, you know, plug in my phone and I can just use CarPlay at any time. One weird thing is that Apple CarPlay doesn't come standard full screen. I actually had to go on the Beamer post forums, and I found someone that coded full screen Apple CarPlay, so it looks a lot better. Alright, so the last reason why I love my M3, and it's probably the main reason why I chose this car over any other car, is because of the drive. The competition package comes in at 444 horsepower, and it goes 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. Alright, so we're in efficient mode right now, and I'm going to switch over to Sport Plus. Car tightens up, car gets a little louder. I'm going to send it. That never gets old. That never gets old. I feel like the M3 checks all the boxes. Not only is it fast and handles corners really well, but it's also very daily drivable and practical. Alright, so we're in sport, and then once you put it to efficient, the car loosens up and it's not as obnoxious, it's not as loud, and it really is just like a very comfortable, luxurious ride. So the cars that I was cross-shopping with were the Mercedes C63 AMG and the Audi S5 Sportback. My price range was about at 55,000 max, and even though some C63s fell in that price range, most of them were like in the 2016 car models, and I felt like the infotainment was already outdated. And even though I love the sound of V8s, I wasn't too sure about the reliability on them. The S5 Sportback came in very close, but the only thing that it lacked was the fun factor. And when I pushed it, don't get me wrong, it was still fast and it was still quick, but it just didn't bring a smile to my face like the M3 did. So those were the top reasons why I chose the M3 out of the rest of the competition. I've only owned the car for about 3 weeks, but let me know if you guys want to know anything about the numbers that I got for, or maintenance costs and the cost of ownership for the car. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them below. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See y'all.